It's 1943. The world is at war, and the US government has a massive problem. Soldiers need vitamin C to stay healthy, but fresh oranges are heavy and they rot in days.
Shipping them is a nightmare. They try canning the juice, but it tastes like a battery.
To save the flavor, they needed a miracle. This is the tale of how we learned to shrink the orange.
In a world built by gears and grease, every machine has a history, and every worker has a story. You've just clocked in. This is Factory Tales.
Hi, I'm Zest. The history is cool, but let me show you how I'm actually made today. It's a wild ride. After we get the oranges from the fields, they go through a washing process to clear them from any dirt or chemicals. Then all these washed oranges goes into a crushing and pulping machine that squeezes all the juice out of the oranges. Then it goes through a preheating and enzyme treatment stage, and this process activates the enzyme, breaking down the juice fibers and preparing it for optimal extraction. The preheating is to preserve the juice aroma while concentrating it. Then we arrive at the pasteurization and sterilization stage. At this stage, heat treatments ensure the juice is safe and free from microorganisms while preserving its quality, making its shelf life much longer. Lastly, we land on the filling and packaging stage, where orange juice gets filled into bottles and packaged to be ready for shipments. The process is now complete, and that's how I end up in your fridge. So, if you enjoyed this process, please drop a like and subscribe for more Factory Tales.